In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check balance on Metatrader 5. We will walk through both the desktop platform on a PC and the mobile app, so you can quickly confirm your account balance wherever you are. I will also explain what you are seeing on each screen, so the numbers make sense at a glance. Let's start on the desktop. Your account information lives in a panel called the toolbox. If you don't see it, go to the top menu. Click View and choose Toolbox. You can also press Ctrl+T as a shortcut. Once the toolbox is open, look along the bottom edge of your screen for the Trade tab. Click that tab to bring up your live account overview. Here, you will see your balance, which is the total after all closed trades and transactions. Your equity, which is your balance, plus or minus any floating profit or loss from open positions, and your margin details, including how much margin is currently in use and how much is free. These values update in real time as your positions move, so it's a reliable snapshot of where your account stands right now. If you want to understand how your balance has changed over time, stay in the same toolbox window and switch to the History tab. This view summarizes completed activity that affected your balance, such as closed trades, deposits, withdrawals, commissions, and swap. It's a helpful way to reconcile your current balance with what's happened on the account and to review outcomes after you've closed positions. Now let's look at the mobile app experience. Open the MT5 app and log into your trading account. On the bottom menu, tap the Trade tab. Right at the top of this screen, you'll see the same core figures: balance, equity, and free margin. Balance is your settled amount from closed activity. Equity is that number adjusted for any open trade results. And free margin shows how much is available to open new trades after accounting for what's currently tied up. The layout is clean and consistent across devices, so once you've found the Trade tab, the information is always in the same place and updates in real time as the market moves. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.